Most people believe that real change takes years. That to turn your life around, you need to suffer through a long, drawn-out process filled with struggle and waiting. But the truth is, change doesn't have to take 5 years, it can begin in just 5 days. The key isn't time, it's intensity, clarity, and commitment. You don't need more time. You need a decision. The first day is about radical honesty. Sit down with yourself and strip away the lies, the excuses, the distractions. Be brutally honest about where you are, who you've become, and what's no longer acceptable. Most people avoid this because it hurts, but that pain is fuel. It's clarity. Without that, you'll stay stuck. On day 2, you create a vision. Not a wish. A clear, bold, and specific vision for who you want to become. You write it down. You see it, feel it, and most importantly, you believe it. No more vague goals. You decide, what does your best self look like? How do they move, speak, think, eat, act? This vision becomes your new standard. On day 3, you take immediate, physical action. Not just thinking, not just planning. You move. You do something uncomfortable that aligns with the person you want to be. You hit the gym, you make the call, you throw away the junk food, you block the toxic numbers. Action changes identity faster than any book ever will. Day 4 is about discipline and environment. You set up your world to support your new path. You clean your space. You audit your circle. You remove temptations. You install routines. If your environment stays the same, so will you. True change doesn't rely on motivation, it relies on systems. Day 5 is about momentum. You reflect, you recommit, and you double down. You tell yourself, this is not a temporary high. This is who I am now. And from here on, every single day is a vote for your future self. The reason most people stay stuck for 5 years is because they never take 5 days seriously. They delay, distract, and doubt. But if you take these next 5 days seriously with urgency, intention, and no excuses, you will see something powerful. That change is a moment of decision, repeated with discipline. Not someday. Now. Change your life in 5 days and never look back.